water hyacinth, commonly known as Agaya tamarai. This most dreadful aquatic waterweed grows like thick mats on aquatic ecosystem, like lakes, ponds, rivers, and commonly we call it as kuvum, right? So this water hyacinth blocks the sun rays to pass through the water, and it also clogs on sewers, pipes and sewage systems during heavy rain, and it also blocks the bridges for the transport and making it delayed. So let's see how this water hyacinth causes major problems in our day-to-day ecosystem. So if you see, these plants are being collected by humans through sticks, using long huge sticks, and from the surface of the water they collect it and dump it on the land. And to collect the plants which is deep inside the water, we need huge trucks, JCBs to carry. This accumulation of water has been done by humans. They just collected the plants and they are dumping it here. Trucks and JCBs used to come here and they collect these plants, and once they are dried and they are just thrown away.
Finding a solution for this problem statement, we built a solution called BARCO. So before getting into the solution, I want to explain about the problem statement. Mainly in this problem statement, we saw water hyacinth not as a problem. We saw it as a major outcome source. So from the water hyacinth, we get a huge number of byproducts. So here you can see that it's a high fiber length and contains heavy metals, and it's a basic and important material which can be used for making up paper products, and as well as many kind of products which can be used in handmade materials. Currently, we are using this water hyacinth for biogas production and many purposes. Here we can see how we are using it in different purposes too. Biodegradable nursing pots, brushes, scrubs, and fish tray and fruit tray also. So after these things, how we are going to use it? This particular water hyacinth has so much of chemical contaminants where it can be used for many other chemical industries too. But what we are doing? We are just collecting it and we are just dumping in a land dumps in some other places. So we are not thinking about the byproducts from this, because huge number of human intervention is being collected and it is used in these purposes. We can see this existing solution, how these kind of water hyacinth been collected. The water hyacinth is being collected using JCBs, trucks, and also with main resource as human interference. This human interference creates a huge waterborne diseases while coming into this water hyacinth collection purposes. In 2D diagram, what I want to show here is, here we are just building an example neutral bionts board where it can convert the water hyacinth into fiber in a limited resources at the point source itself. So because of collecting it, we can assure that in the large number of human resources and human intervention, these kind of existing solution expensive matters will be decreased to nearly 75%. This is a huge number of drastic change has been used. This particular board is not like a weed harvester which is being currently used. This is a very small miniature bots which can be transported very much easily, and it can be equipped and handled very much easy manner. Here we are seeing a proof of concept BARCO. Here you can see the conveyor belt what we have been developed and modify inclined structure. And also you are seeing the shredding process what we have been created here. This completed POC on the proof of concept what we have developed the conveyor belt, and here I can show you how it's been working. Here you can see the conveyor belt is being loaded. From this board, the hyacinth has been collected and it is down into the shredding purpose. From the shredding purpose, and it will be continued to contain down. This is short mechanism what they are using for this.